Hello friends, I am Dr. Ashish Ratodi and I welcome you all once again at Divyarishi Arogyam Sansthan. Friends, Khus Sharbat is one of the most celebrated summer drinks in our homes, and this popularity is contributed by its sweet taste and its coolant property. But beside its taste, it has various medicinal properties also. And today in this video, I will tell you about various such properties. But friends, if you are new at our channel, then please subscribe it and do press the bell icon so that the notifications for the upcoming videos won't be missed. So let's start the topic. Khus is a grass which can grow up to 150 cm in height. But unlike many grasses whose roots spread horizontally, the root of this grass grows vertically up to a depth of around 7 feet to 10 feet. Khus is called as vetiver in English. Its scientific name is Vetiveria zizanioides. It is called as Ushir in Ayurvedic texts. Benzoic acid, furfurol, vetivine and khusimol are among various chemical compounds that are found in khus. If we look at Ayurveda, then it is said to be of cold potency and sweet taste. By its action, it pacifies pitta and vata dosh in our body. Now let's see various medical conditions where khus can be used. Khus has very good action on our skin. For acne, blemishes and skin rashes, mix 1/4 teaspoon of the powder of root of the ushir with half teaspoon haldi and 2 teaspoon multani mitti and then make a paste using rose water. Apply it for 10 minutes on the skin and then wash it with normal water. Apart from curing various skin problems, it will make your skin shiny also. Next is acidity and indigestion. Even though khus is said to be of cold potency, it aids in digestion and removes ama from our body. Mix 1 part of khus powder with 2 parts of grounded fennel and 4 parts of powdered sugar. Consume half teaspoon daily before meals with lukewarm water. Next is tension type headache or stress or insomnia. If you are suffering from any one of these, then apply 2 to 3 drops of khus oil over your forehead. Or you can make a paste of the powdered root with water and then apply it over your forehead. Next is joints pain. If you have painful and inflamed joints, then take 2 spoon coarse root powder and boil it in 4 cup of water until the water remains 1 cup. Then filter it and consume it daily on empty stomach. In case of urinary tract infection, burning sensation in urine or painful urination, mix half teaspoon khus extract in 1 glass of cold water. Consume it twice a day. Khus contains tannin which has antibacterial properties that fight against UTI. Khus oil can be used if anyone is suffering from scalp issues like itchiness, flaking, dandruff and eruptions over the scalp due to sweat. Take 2 to 5 drops of oil and apply it on the scalp and then leave it for 20 minutes. Thereafter, wash it with normal water. Friends, this plant is not only useful to mankind, but it also treats our Mother Earth. Roots of the khus increase the groundwater recharge capacity of the soil. It also increases biomass content of the soil. So friends, this was all for today's video. If you found this video helpful, then please like and share it and do give your valuable comments. I will meet you next time with a new informative topic. Till then, be safe and be healthy. Thank you.